Yacht Club, are we? I need to put on my glasses because I can't see what I wrote. I can't hear, so I don't care if you applaud or throw things at me. It makes no difference. But it is my pleasure to inform you that at the annual dinner in 1989, Rosalind's newly formed musical group, the Borba Singers, gave their first performance of Knarr songs, which really brought the house down. And imbued with this success, she decided to go ahead and form a Knarr men's chorus named the Sons of the Beach. It's a sort of a riposte to St. Francis Yacht Club's Sons of the Sea. So these Sons of the Beach, they rehearse on Monday nights at our house, where my role is to cook soup for them and empty my wine cellar. They have performed at virtually all the IKCs and Knarr dinners since, and their career high with entertaining the Edgartown and New York Yacht Clubs, when for 3 years running we chartered the 1958 America's Cup winner, Columbia, cleaning up the classic 12-meter regattas. So whether it was our music which frightened them, or our sailing which demoralized them, is not known, but we've never been invited back. Now I'd like to have this group introduce themselves to you. Maestro?
We are the Sons of the Beach, are we, bringing you heavenly harmony, baritone. King of the high sea, he. Pavarotti, he's not, but he's all that we got, the Sons of the Beach, the Sons of the Beach.
Doesn't that bring a lump to your throat? I hope you've taken a moment to read the brief account of how and when our fleet was formed. And if you have, and you're paying attention, you may be wondering why we are celebrating our 50th anniversary 13 months late. So am I. Apparently, it's a cool thing these days to purposely send belated birthday wishes. And there was a small matter also of some tin masts which took precedence over other activities. Anyway, here we are to celebrate not only 50 years of the San Francisco BayKnarr Association, but another 50th anniversary, which raises the bar probably beyond reach for the rest of us. You may begin.
It is 50 years and counting that they've sailed within this fleet. She's the hostess with the mostest, he's the skipper still to beat. He's our admiral who is grand, she's his lady oh so sweet. 50 years with Knarrs, now that's the treat. There is nothing like a dame, nothing in this world. There is no one we can name who is anything like that dame.
It's not Canute's 50th birthday, that's next year. But in another 2 days, on November the 20th, it will be the 50th anniversary of him joining the newly formed San Francisco BayKnarr Association. In 1961, the Bay Area Elimination Series for the Mallory Cup, the US Men's Sailing Championship, was sailed in Knarrs, and our intrepid Grand Admiral almost won it all, but for an incident in the 5th race which saw him not only over early, but I understand he elected to run over the stern of a fellow competitor who was also restarting. But apparently this experience made an impression on Canute, for he promptly defected from the folkboat fleet. And by November of 1961, he had taken delivery of 102, direct from Denmark, somewhat to the irritation of Nordic imports, for whom importing canals from Scandinavia was a professional business. He was forgiven. So here we are, 50 years of racing in the canal fleet, a remarkable achievement. And in that time, he has never missed a season, he's seldom missed a race. He has been Admiral of the Fleet 4 times, twice won the season's championship, was crowned IKC champion in 1971. He is still taking no prisoners racing, and forever will be remembered for creating the IKC in 1969. The recognition of Canute's contributions to the fleet was given at the Canal 50th anniversary in 1993, when he was presented with a handsome half model named the Canal Fleet Movers and Shakers Perpetual Trophy, only to be awarded in the years someone in the fleet rises to this challenge. In 2001, he saw fit to reward my own humble efforts and contributions to the fleet by presenting it to me. And in 2007, I'm embarrassed to say, I received it yet again, stolen out of my office, I might add, by my dear wife acting on instructions to save the cost of buying a cheap trophy. So I was somewhat startled to be given what I thought I already had. But all is forgiven, and now coming full circle, it is my privilege and honor to re-present it to Canute, for whom it rightly belongs, with the admiration, respect, and gratitude of the fleet.
There's nothing like it now. Maybe except for my wife. It's a great honor to have this given back to me. I thought John Colver deserved it for goods, but I will treasure it, and I thank you all for giving it back to me. Thank you very much.
Now to conclude their earth-shattering performance, the Sons of the Beach.
I'm going racing in the morning. I and the boys are going to shine. Boats almost ready, winds light and steady. Get me to the start on time. Halyard is parted at the masthead. Up goes the crew with extra line. All bull like heck now, don't break his neck now, and get him to the start on time. We've lost the course sheet, dear God in heaven. I see the tide books 1997. I'm going racing in the morning. Let's have another glass of wine. Boat's almost ready, winds light and steady. Get me to the start on time. The crew's hung over, but don't despair. They'll soon revive with the ocean in our hair. I'm going racing in in the morning, pumped up and feeling in my prime. Start celebrating, but don't keep him waiting.